What's the meaning of chat room? Chat room. Chat room.
Chat room. Chat room. A chat room is a virtual space where people can communicate with each other in real time over the internet. It enables users to participate in online discussions and exchange messages with others who share similar interests or preferences. Chat rooms can be public or private and may focus on a wide range of topics, including hobbies, politics, entertainment, or education. Some chat rooms might also incorporate audio or video features, allowing users to interact with each other in more immersive ways. Overall, chat rooms have become a popular means of socializing and connecting with others online.